Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all well and had a lovely weekend. Okay, right, we're going to start very gently into our transfer preparation. So I want you to get out AQE style, step 1, paper 1, like this, okay? Now, you can see on this test, it's only 20 minutes long. The real test will be much longer, but this is our first step, and we're going really slowly, and we will get there. So please don't worry, okay? So, before you do this, I want you to watch this wee video carefully, and then that will help you before you start into it, okay? So the first one, multiplying by 1,000. So multiplying by 1,000, how many zeros does it have? It is 1, 2, 3 zeros. So you know that you're going to move everything 3 places to the left, okay? So 3.29, you're going to move it 3 places to the left. And please don't worry if there are any of the questions that you can't do. Have a go at them, and then I'm going to make an explanation video and post it later on in the week to explain everything to you. If you're still not too sure, you just post a message on your Seesaw and then I'll get back to you, okay? The other one, this one here, you're dividing by 100, okay? You see here, dividing by 100. I apologise about the nails, obviously can't get those done in a long time. So if you're dividing by 100, 2 zeros, so that you know that's going to be 2 moves, and you know it's going to be 2 moves shorter. So 567, move it 1 place to the right, move it another place to the right, okay? So that one's going to need a decimal point. Okay, the next one you should be able to do, use this information to work out what type of triangle it is. If you're not sure, again, I will go over it with you. Okay, table below shows the maximum and minimum temperatures over a day. Calculate the difference. All right, now for this one here, because it's temperature, what I would do is I would draw your temperature scale, okay? 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all the way up to 22, and then count down from 22 to 14. Next one, train leaves Belfast at 17:10 and takes 42 minutes to reach Portstewart. At what time does the train, Portadown, and what time does the train arrive in Portadown? So obviously it's going to be 42 minutes later. So you're going to have to add on your 42 minutes onto 17:10. All right. Now, it's not going to go over 17, so you're okay in this one. It's not going to go on to 1600 hours, so you'll be okay. The next one, Keith bought 18 bolts to fix his fence. The bolts were 22 pence each. He used his calculator to work out 18 times 22 equals 396. How much is that in pounds and pence? Well, you know that there are 100 pence in a pound, so you should be able to work that out okay. All right, over to the next bit now. We're on the English passage. Please read the English passage twice. It doesn't matter if it's a book you've read or if you think it's easy, please read the English passage twice. And that is what you will be doing even on the real transfer test on the day, okay? So, in the first one, it says, tick the correct answer. You're only asked to tick 1, so please just tick 1. Sometimes you're told to tick 2 or tick 3, and you must always follow the right directions. Next one, find the word in the passage closest in meaning to. So that is looking for a word that is similar in meaning. So, for example, tiny, small, big, ginormous, okay? Now, obviously, it's not going to be as easy as that, but you have to find the word closest in meaning to the word below. So, shop, a word that means the same as shop, okay? Based on your understanding of the above passage, circle the most appropriate word, so this is number 8, to complete the sentence below, okay? Read through it a couple of times and then circle. Do not underline. The question says circle. If you underline, you'll get it wrong. And then according to the passage, how much in pence were the extra parts? Now, you see extra parts is marked in bold. So that's telling you to be extra careful, okay? Because somebody is going to write down the wrong thing because they haven't followed the instructions properly. All right, okay, over you go. Hope you're all still with me. Sorry about the video one. Liquid plant food costs £3.20 per litre. What is the cost of 1,500 millilitres of liquid? So what you have to say to yourself in this one is, okay, how many millilitres are in a litre? You know that's 1,000. How many millilitres are in half a litre? You know that's 500. So it's asking you for 1 litre and then half a litre as well, okay? And you can work that one out. Again, garden wire costs 60 pence per metre. What is the cost of 150 centimetres of wire? How many centimetres are in a metre? You know that's 100. Half a metre, 50 centimetres, okay? I'm not going to give the game away because you could work out the rest. So a boat left port A, which is here, and travelled to port B, okay? And what direction did it go? So it's going from A to B. So what I would do is on your compass, mark in north, south, east, west, northeast, and so on, okay? And then that will help you, okay? I apologise for the video today. Both the boys are in online classes, but once I get the tripod and things set up and the proper camera set up, hopefully I can nab them next week so that we can get this videoed over the weekend. So it's not on my phone. I apologise for that. So complete the number statement below. So 6 times